better, a little bit better. I am currently at the Tim Hortons. I was trying to like park because no one was here and I wanted to get b-roll, and then like 2 cars pulled up and then I was trying to like film the sign as I was driving past it and I literally almost crashed. So that's wonderful. It is late morning. I look crusty and crazy, so sorry for that. The first time I got a coffee from here, it was like completely effed up, and I think it was my fault because I was trying to do it like I do Dunkin', like a caramelized coffee, cream and liquid sugar, and it just was not working. So yesterday I asked for the caramel latte supreme because I was just trying to look up drinks and they didn't have it, because I saw when she rung me up it said caramelized latte and then it just put like whipped cream and caramel on top, but it was still good. So now I'm gonna ask for that same thing, but I'm not gonna ask for the supreme. I'm just asking for a caramelized latte. But they also have this loaded breakfast wrap. Girl, it was sausage, bacon, and egg, like in a wrap, and it was banging. Like the sausage was like a little spicy, and I feel like whenever like sausage is a little spicy, it's like the best sausage. Like it's the banging sausage ever. It's the morning and it's Sunday, the 22nd. So agenda for today, I want to go to Hobby Lobby. We need to go grocery shopping, and then I don't know if I'm going to cook food today, but I'm definitely going to decorate whatever I buy from Hobby Lobby because John and I took down our decorations this week. So like the second last week of January, and now it looks empty because it's been decorated for Halloween and for Christmas back to back because I actually decorated for Halloween this year. So that's what we're doing today. Fun stuff, fun stuff.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium caramel iced latte?
Okay.
And that's it.
It's gonna be $4.31.
Thank you.
Happy to help.
This is some good coffee. This is really good, I'm not gonna lie. I decided to come to ShopRite because I knew that if I went home, I would be dreading like grocery shopping. So I just decided to come right out. I know what I'm making for this week. I'm gonna be making meatloaf. Recently, I've been following the HelloFresh meals that John and I used to make back in 2020. You really use turkey, scallions, and then also panko breadcrumbs. So I already have that. So yeah, that's what I use to make the meatloaves. And then like the sauce is barbecue sauce. It was like some seasonings, but I have the seasonings already from last time. And then an orange to like make it a little like tangy. And then for the sides, I still have green beans from last week. I make garlic green beans, and then as another side, I know John likes the scalloped potatoes, so I'm gonna pick up 2 of those. And then like other stuff that we need, I think we need bread. I should really be making this right now. But yeah, I look like Tim Hortons, by the way. I have on like the red. That's literally fucking it. I don't even know why I said that. So, in case anyone's wondering what time it is, it's currently 10:53 and John is still asleep because there's some people who just sleep in, and then people like me can get up, get a coffee, go grocery shopping, come back. But let's get into what I got. So like I said, I got the strawberries because I want John and I to start having like more natural healthy snacks because like I said, we're both working out, we're trying to lose some weight. I got 2 things of strawberries because they didn't have like the super large pack, which is really annoying. Like I said, as a side for the meal that I'm gonna be making, which the meal is actually right here if you're wondering. I'm making meatloaf that shows, I think, green beans, and this shows potato wedges, but instead I got scalloped potatoes because that's what John likes and that's also what I like, and I want to end up making these fresh one time. I got John some chicken, that way I can season it and he can start making his salads again. So they had some huge chickens at ShopRite. Like most times I have to go to Sam's Club for them to be on crack, but I guess since I went in the morning and I got first pickings because they were already stocking the shelves when I got there, I was like, bet I'm getting the best of the best. I got some cherry tomatoes for myself. I got 2 things of ground turkey because obviously this meal is supposed to last us the week. I always try to prep for the week. I just got the Perdue ground turkey breast because my mom said that she likes the Perdue brand. I hope so. I hope I'm not remembering that incorrectly. In terms of the lettuce, I got John's. He always does the leafy green romaine. I like that leafy lettuce. So it's spring mix because I can dump it. Is this already? It's pre-washed. That's so nice. So I got that, and then like I said, the lettuce or the salad that my mom gave me had peppers in it, and I'm a lazy bitch and I did not feel like cutting up my own. I probably should have, but it's fine. So I just got the pre-cut peppers, but some of these look a little huge. Like, do you see this? You see how this looks huge? Like, I gotta cut that myself still. So it just cuts down how much chopping I have to do because I hate when I have to cut up so much stuff. And then lastly, I have my cucumber in here for my salad, the scallions for the meatloaf. It adds flavor, and it's also as a topping too. I got apples for John and I to have that as a snack with peanut butter because I put him all in. And then I also got an orange, and this is to use for the sauce. Now we're just gonna stock the fridge, and yeah, because literally all this is fresh. So literally all this is going in the fridge. I forgot to say, I got the water, and I also got the Sprite, but I left that in my trunk of my car because I didn't feel like bringing it up because that's John's job. So John's gonna bring that up, but I also obviously bought that too. I stocked that absolutely horribly, so just don't judge me on that because half of that food I'm literally going to cook anyways. I have to do the dishes now, so you can just watch me do that. I'm literally just doing all adult chores. This is what I normally do. I just try to get through like as many chores as I can of stuff that's bothering me, and most times this is the stuff that I do. So like John does the laundry and he does like washing the dishes sometimes, most of the time, because I literally hate washing dishes, but like if I see them from the night before, I'll wash them. We do the grocery shopping together for the most part, but if it's just me and I don't have that much to buy groceries wise, I'll just do it myself and get it out the way in the morning, and then I'll come back and then I'll like take the trash out, or if I have to clean the bathrooms and I didn't do that yet, I'll clean the bathrooms, which I did that yesterday. So yeah, this is just a normal occurrence of things, and then I'll just show you guys what the apartment is looking like now that we undecorated it for Christmas, and I'll give you guys ideas of what like I'm trying to accomplish now in terms of decor and what I want everything to look like, because I kind of have an idea of what I want. And like I thought I wanted this like farmhouse, modern farmhouse like chic thing. That's kind of what I was going for, but like now I know more of the style that I want and what I'm going for. But like I said, first I'm gonna wash dishes, you're gonna see that, and then we'll just go on with the day as usual. Glasses are still tinted because I was just outside, but oh, give me 2 seconds. I want to show you guys what my apartment looks like right now with everything taken down. I don't even know, like obviously I haven't done an apartment tour just because one, my apartment's like really get on my nerves. I know there's like a light on me, but low-key it looks kind of cute though. Yeah, I haven't done like an apartment tour because one, when we first moved here, I wasn't able to do like an empty apartment tour because I didn't have time to get over here before like all my friends and family were coming over here. And then also like I never got it decorated to where I want it to be. So like my goal for my apartment, I want it to be mid-century modern. That's what I've kind of seen a lot of photos, and I feel like that's what I relate to the most because I like color. I still like it neutral. I like mixed metals, so I like silver, gold, bronze, like black and white. Like I like all that stuff. That's kind of what I've been seeing come together over time. I also like the greenery that adds in like some color too as well. I know what I'm doing with everything else. So let's get started on this little mini tour of my apartment if you just don't know how the layout is or what it looks like. This is the hallway, and that's the front door that you come in through. So like when you first walk in, it looks like this. And we just recently moved this here because it was originally in the closet all the way in the back. And the reason why I didn't put it here is because this hallway is already pretty small, and I didn't want it feeling like cramped, but like I don't want to keep basing my apartment off of like other people coming when really other people don't come over here as often as I was expecting. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to have like a rug runner right here reach at least to like this wall to make it make sense, so that way they're still on the rug when they take their shoes off, because I don't want it to end and then they're all like struggling. I want to give them ample amounts of room. So I actually have to measure this wall because I was thinking like maybe, I don't know, 2'7", 2'10" are the dimensions I was looking for a rug runner. That's what I was thinking. And then like I just randomly put this here. This was our little fruit basket. I want to put like a crate here, and then for the summertime, and then put like dollar socks in it, like from the dollar store or whatever, so that way people can have socks if they don't have them in the summertime. I don't need to do that now because it's the wintertime, so obviously everyone should be wearing socks with their boots, but yeah, so I just want to do that crate in the summer, put the socks in there, and that will be on top. So now coming over here, this is our kitchen. We have these mats, and like the mats are cute, but I think I want to do more of like a printed rug in here. That's what I was trying to look for, so I want to get one for right here, and then one maybe a little longer right here as well, just because this is like a long kitchen. I want to keep it long on both sides. Then coming over here, this is the dining area, so I like the dining. As you can see, like we kept it pretty neutral, so I like the brown, the gold, like I said, like the mixed metals, and then this up here is where we're getting into like that farmhouse looking, all the white and the black. I need to add more color to this, so we're going to change this up. But this is the star of the show because this is what I want to decorate, because I decorated it so nicely for Christmas, if you saw me decorating for Christmas that video. So right now, just have like a little marble slab. I think it's like a cutting board. And I wanted to use it as a cutting board, but then I ended up just sitting all of the alcohol on top of it. And this is actually the little chiller bucket for wine, but I ended up putting straws in there, and it just looks really nice, so I'm just leaving it like that for now. Whenever I think of bar, I think of like rustic industrial, and that can kind of go with the mid-century modern if I add in some greenery here and there. So like that's what the goal is for there. So I'm gonna have to figure out and look up some Pinterest boards of what I'm gonna want to do for this, but I like that I at least have like the gold and the silver already. That mixed metals is all going on. Like I said, I put this over here because now that we got a new air fryer, the air fryer had to be put right there, the old one, and it used up all the space, and I didn't feel comfortable putting it at the very top because it would fall, and I don't like top heavy. So, and then finally you have the main area. So like this is the entryway table, me not knowing absolutely what to do over here, and you see it's like such a huge space. And then same thing over here. Like I like that picture, that artwork that John picked out when we went to Ross sometime last year. But I did buy some stuff for this coffee table, and the stuff that we bought this hand yesterday. I think we got this from Marshall's. I already had this from Bath & Body Works, the holder. We bought that from Marshall's. This we already had, but we got it from Marshall's. I think I got this originally from Home Goods, but I want to get baskets to put under here because I'm sick of seeing blankets just thrown under. Like I want to be able to pull a basket out like how my mom used to have and like put the blankets in there so it just looks neater. And then for the couch, I'm going to keep it simple. I do want to get a white, well, I gotta put my food in. I do want to get a white blanket to lay over it, and then I'm going to find pillows on Amazon because I'd rather get pillows and then change out the pillow covers instead of buying new pillows over and over again and wasting my money. What I am feeling is over here, this is pretty much done for the most part. I only have like 1 or 2 more things I want to add. So I got that ladder from Amazon, greenery was from Michael's. All this stuff was pretty much a mixture from like Marshall's and Home Goods, I'm pretty sure. And then over here, I literally have no idea what to do. Like, I'll just put up on the screen all different ideas of what I thought of doing with this area because I'm just so clueless. Like I wanted to get puffs, like those hand knitted like puffs or whatever, but everyone keeps saying that like the inside of it has like balls or whatever, and then the outside is all braided. That inside part that has like the balls, like the little, like what you have in like bean bags, they said that it keeps bursting open, and like they're expensive. Like one of those puffs is like originally $75, but we found it on sale at I think TJ Maxx for $50, and I'm just like, for $50 and it could possibly break, like that's a little annoying. I want to get it done pretty soon because also like, so I'm going room by room decor wise, but then I also want to be able to organize in here too. Like underneath my sink is a little treacherous, underneath that counter is a little treacherous, top of my hall closet is a little treacherous. Like I want to be able to organize after I decorate too, because decorating doesn't mean anything to me if like everything isn't in its place, organized and neat. But right now, making myself some food. This pan does not look okay. Making myself some cordon bleu. You know, if you don't know what cordon bleu is, it's a frozen meal, and it's chicken stuffed with ham and cheese, and it's so freaking good. I'm only doing one. I don't know if John wants one. I feel like I should put one in for him just to be nice. Oh well, it's fine. I'll be nice, I guess. Okay, fun stuff. I'm gonna sit here, relax, get myself together, and then we will continue on with the video. So maybe I'll see you guys at Hobby Lobby, maybe I'll see you guys in a couple seconds, me still sitting here because I decided not to go, but either way, you're gonna see something good. Okay, see you in a couple minutes.